Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a kitchen essential that promises to elevate your baking experience, the Martha Stewart 5.3QT tilt head stand mixer. We found this product online and have included a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Martha Stewart 5.3QT stand mixer? This versatile kitchen mixer is designed to be a reliable assistant in your culinary endeavors, whether you're an experienced baker or just starting out. With its sleek design and powerful capabilities, it combines functionality with style, making it a fantastic addition to any kitchen. One of the standout features of this mixer is its generous 5.3-quart stainless steel bowl. This polished bowl is not only durable but also spacious enough to handle large batches of dough, cake batter, or even up to 9 dozen cookies. Imagine whipping up a feast for your family or hosting a gathering with ease. The stainless steel material also ensures that your mixer is easy to clean and resistant to staining, which is a huge plus when dealing with sticky ingredients. In addition to its impressive bowl size, the Martha Stewart stand mixer comes equipped with 3 versatile attachments: a stainless steel whisk, a dough hook, and a flat beater with a silicone edge. The silicone edge is particularly useful as it helps to scrape the sides of the bowl, ensuring that every bit of your mixture is well incorporated. Whether you're whipping cream, kneading dough, or mixing cake batter, these attachments make the process efficient and thorough. Now, let's talk about the control you get with this mixer. It features 12 optimized speed settings, providing you with the precision needed to handle a variety of tasks. Whether you want to gently fold in ingredients, thoroughly mix batter, or power through thick doughs, you'll find the perfect speed for the job. This flexibility is especially handy for those who love experimenting with different recipes. Another user-friendly aspect of this stand mixer is its tilt head design. This allows you to easily access the bowl, making it simple to add ingredients, scrape the sides, or switch out attachments. You won't have to struggle to get your hands in there, which is a common issue with other mixers. This design not only enhances convenience but also keeps your baking experience smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's not forget about the removable splash shield. This thoughtful feature helps prevent splatter while you mix, keeping your countertops cleaner. Plus, it has an accessible pour chute that allows you to add ingredients without any mess. This is particularly helpful when you're working with liquids or finely powdered ingredients that can easily spill. So, who is the Martha Stewart 5.3QT stand mixer suitable for? If you're someone who enjoys baking, whether it's bread, cakes, or holiday cookies, this mixer is a fantastic choice. It's also perfect for busy home cooks who need a reliable appliance for meal prep. Even if you're a novice in the kitchen, this mixer offers enough versatility and ease of use to help you build your skills without feeling overwhelmed. Some practical use cases for this mixer include whipping up a batch of fluffy whipped cream for desserts, kneading dough for homemade bread, or mixing up cake batter for a birthday celebration. You can also use it for more intricate recipes, like meringues or soufflés, thanks to its powerful motor and precise speed settings. In summary, the Martha Stewart 5.3QT tilt head stand mixer is a versatile, stylish, and efficient kitchen appliance that can handle a wide range of baking tasks. With its spacious stainless steel bowl, 3 essential attachments, and user-friendly features, it's designed to make your time in the kitchen as enjoyable and productive as possible. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.